For example.
Shut up! How do I end my life? I don't know what's happening. There's this red thing against the wall here. Come on. Yay! I died! I'm finally out first person. I've never been so excited to die before. Level 9, the Obby. Yeah, come on, kids. Just gotta shift lock. I'm the best in the world at Obbies. And come on, you stupid game. That's the freaking lag. There's so much lag. Go, one more, please. And I hate my life. Just gotta be a little bit more patient.
It's possible.
No! I finally made it here. Ready? Stupid. Don't fall, please. There we go. Easy. All right, now let's jump down here. Okay. As you can see, you can't really jump here. There's a roof. How does this guy do it? He didn't do it. Oh,
I don't know. I
here. Okay, so let's try not to fail.
Oops.
Okay, hit the block back. Come on, you stupid kids. Thank you. Whoop up, you idiot. Ready? And please give me out this stupid level. Thank you. Level 10. The smaller hole. What the heck's that sound? Let's go back up a little bit. Come on, let me in. I'm almost through. Wait, turn off shift lock. As you can see, I am hanging on for dear life. Just go through, you idiot. Come on. Well, that was fun. Oh, what do we do? Hello? Level 11. Oh, it's a mirror. So that means there's going to be a block here. Okay. So then I have to jump onto this. Alright. So then from here, yeah, let's just follow these kids. They seem to know. Come on, man, go. I'm Giga Chad, I'll go. Let's follow the yellow. Oh, nope, he's wrong. Okay. Slowly but surely making it. I'm scared. Don't fall. Come on. Am I on the block? I think I'm on the block. The ladder's all the way in the corner. Ready? Jump. Go. Now what? Jump. Oh, I'm so good at dying. Level 12, behind the wall. Well, I'm the only one here because I'm better than everybody else. This guy finally did it.
No one had life.
Where we're supposed to go. Oh, you somehow did it. How'd you do that?
I just go. I didn't.
What's behind the wall? There's gotta be something through this wall. Behind the wall. Where is it? Behind the wall. Behind the wall. Behind the wall. Hello? Let me get behind the wall, please. My game bugged, so I had to rejoin, and now I'm at level 1 again. This is so much fun. Oh, hey, Doge, you're in here. Let's just die together, Doge. It's a beautiful thing. Come on, let's speedrun this. Not this stupid level again. Oh, Doge, we just gotta keep damaging ourselves. Come on, Doge, I'm better than you. I'd like a number 2 this time. What does this even do? Oh, just kick it around. Okay. All right, let's do number 6. I just want to hurt myself. Yep, there we go. Just let me die slowly and painfully. This is what my life is like, just constant suffering. Ah, yes. Right, Doge, come on. Gotta go touch this dumb thing. That's right. And somehow I lagged and missed it. So much lag in these stupid games.
Stupid games. It's too hard.
I'm just gonna wait here until someone moves the block. And there we go. Someone did it. And we got the dumb small hole again. Come on, Doge. We just gotta get in there. Come on, game, please. A little bit forward. There we go. Come on, just gotta wiggle in. Go in, you idiot. Go, go, yay! Back to the mirror. Doge, wait up. Stop showing off. Just gotta follow Doge, folks. So Doge got angle to the right. Yes, good. And then into the corner. Jump. Yay! Now this level, yeah, it's really dumb. You just have to shift lock and do it. Now we're at the horror game. Let's just wait on Doge. Hello, Doge. Well, I guess Doge is struggling, so I'm just gonna go ahead. Oh, hello? Oh, okay. What do I do here? Do I just need to wait for something to destroy me? Yes, please. Come on, open dumb door. What is this? A key. I'll take that. Is there a door down here for my key? Oh, let's head down into the basement. That's always a good idea. Open, please. Try to... I can't read it anymore. Let me back up. Try to oof.secretfiles.exe. Okay, open. Oh, no. That was really scary. Well, I'm on level 14. Where is Doge? Oh, hey, Doge. What do we do, Doge? We just kind of push this around. Okay, so do that one, and then I gotta push this one. Okay, come on, stupid block. Get up there. Alright, folks, I got it this time. Come on, go on up. Oh, no! Alright, let's just shove this thing up. We gotta force it with all my Giga Chad strength. Come on, there we go. No! Let's move this ramp a little bit, just like that. Up the ramp we go. Come on, almost got it. Yes! Yep, easy. See you, Doge. Better. The smallest hole. Hey, need help? Yes, I'm too fat to fit in that tiny, stupid hole. Don't worry, just hug me. Wait, that's it? Okay. I'm at level 16. Yeah, I don't know what to do here, Doge. How to do level 16? Question mark? Oh, hello, kids. How do we do this? Reset. No, I'm not. Okay, fine. I guess I don't have a choice. Oh, level 17. Damage loop. Okay, thanks, boys. So, how do I die here? It looks like the damage thing is on the corner of this. Let me get closer. Come on. This stupid lag is going to make this take an hour. They all have a damage edge. Okay, that one does for sure. Just keep pushing me. Let's keep doing this until I die. Come on,
stupid.
Yeah, let's do it. Just let me die. Thank you. Level 18. Zombies maze. So, do I just have to make him follow me? Presses the button. Good. Okay, come back this way, zombie. Gotta watch out for for this red pipe. Alright, once it goes, I'll go. Over here, zombie. Hide. Get in there. Good. Alright, come on, zombie. Come this way, sir. And now over here, there's a ball. I don't know what to do with the ball. Alright, so I wrapped around like this. What do we do with this ball? Maybe the zombie pushes it. Okay, just pushed it in the water. Then can you walk over it? Yes, he can. What do I do here? Does the zombie go in the water? Does he die? Yep, he just died. Dang it! Let's try this again, zombie. No. Oh, you stupid zombie! Come on, climb over the dump ball. Come on, dude, my zombie's glitched. He's actually stuck in the ball. Look how dumb he is. I can't even reset. I literally have to start all over. How else is my zombie absolutely refuses to comply? No matter where I go, he just stays stuck. There's no button here for me to die, and I can't reset. No wonder this game has a 50% rating. Oh boy, another game where I get to jump off and die. Alright, so I have no idea how many levels we have. I don't care what that guy has to say because I'm just trying to keep down. Now, what's this camera above like my head? Or this monitor? What is that? Oh, there's a speedrun mode. Okay, we'll do that later. It says touch it. Okay, I'm touching. I just have to keep touching it. Yeah, so I just keep touching it, and then eventually I will crumble into pieces. There's my name. Level 4, the window. So what happens if I actually talk to them? Hey, welcome back. Need a help? No, I don't need a help. Yep, I guess. Tell me what to do. Try to push me to that window. And you're already out the window, and I'm dead. Oh, you can skip through levels with link Q. That's cool. Okay, so what do I do here? We have these red little houses here. Do these kill me? No. Is this quicksand? Do I sink into quicksand? No. What about these flowers? Is there like a deadly flower somewhere? It says to find it. Okay, where am I looking for? Where's it? I gotta use stupid sphinx. The little pyramid. Okay, I can't find it. Do you know where it is? It's gotta be in here. Oh, there it is. Stupid blocks just hiding in the corner. Level 6, the troll. Well, this is gonna be fun. Do I just jump up here and die? Okay, so I died. Now on level 7, so that was it. The small hole. Okay, that's not that small unless I'm just really skinny. Level 8, reach it. Okay, this is an obby. There is no shift lock, so I guess I just climb up this ramp, and then I walk towards this red cube, and hopefully I die. Just like that. I look beautiful. Level 9, the mirror. Oh, I remember these types of levels. So you climb up here, and then I'm just gonna walk straight. Okay, seriously. It goes, okay, it's turning. So I have to walk like this way, back, and this way. Yay, I did it! Level 10, the loop. So basically, I have to keep doing this over and over again until it actually kills me. Come on, kill me. Thank you. Level 10, what's this down here? Little orange cube. What's this called? The challenge. What are you doing? Talk? Okay. Are you kidding me? How do I suppose to beat that level? Did you know you can push the gray block on this level? No, I didn't. Let me push the wall with unloaded dummy now. Maybe I just jump up the ladder. Climb, thank you. And then the death block's over to my right. So do this and then climb up another ladder. Am I gonna hit the ceiling when I jump? I think I am. Okay, good. That was close, but I made it. That little guy hitting the wall is just trash at the game. Level 12. Wait, first person. Oh, hi. With Lisa, how are you doing that? Is that the hacker Lisa? Am I going the wrong way? You have to go on this side. And then do I jump on the Oh, alright, I'm almost, there's the block, did it! Come on, Lisa, good job. So me and Lisa are in this together. We got explosion. Come on, Lisa, touch it. I want to see you explode. Go on. And, wait, can we both explode together? Hey, level 14, the small window. And the first person, just look to the side. It's so easy. I'm such a gamer. Wait, what's this nuke? Nuke everyone, and no, that's way too expensive. I'm not talking to this block. What's this level called? The forest. So I'm guessing one of these things in the ground kills you like that one. The whole part 2, I think he's lying. Yeah, watch. I bet that one's the real one. Yeah, I told you, level 17. Find it part 2. So where is Elisa? We're in this together. Is that it? No. Is it gonna be really small? Like, oh, there it is. Come here, Lisa, it's over on this thing. Yay! Level 18, the loop number 2. So I'm gonna have to keep climbing and jumping through this over and over again. So if you lag, you take no damage, because I always lag, but I am taking damage for some reason. Yeah, I know, Lisa, this is just really annoying and tedious.
Hi.
Jumped through here about 6 times already. Dude, how does Lisa die and I don't? She only did like 4 times. That's not fair. Level 19, what is this? I'm serious, what is this crap? Hide and seek. Oh, she found it. I'm coming, Lisa! There it is! Yeah! Level 20. Meat part. What? Meat part? What does that mean? Like a meat part? Oh, here, let's talk to him. Okay. Yeah, you still know who am? Nice to meet you part. And then we can go and just say my name and the gray door will open. Okay, so just type part because that's what Lisa did. So it opens and then I die. Good job, Lisa. Oh! First person mode? What is this thing? I don't know, but this Lisa, did you find it yet? What are we looking for, Lisa? Let's get in here together. Oh no, Lisa! That was is it? Level 22. Reach it, number 2. Wait, am I just disabled? Oh, okay, now I have shift lock. Lisa just died. I gotta catch up here. Okay. There we go. Lisa, wait up. She's so good at the game. Lisa! Wait, I forgot to read the level. The jumps, okay? Lisa, wait up for me! Oh, she's so good. Look at my head just falling by itself. Okay, Lisa, what's this? The imposters. We gotta find the Among Us. Which one is it? Just keep touching every single one, Lisa. Eventually we will find it. There it is. It's right on my body, Lisa, get it. Rocket launcher. I just see that immediately and I go for it. The rocket. Do I just blow myself up? Let's just stay in the corner. Okay, I'm still alive. Wait, what's this? Oh, I'm dead. Lisa, blow yourself up. Good job. Blocks of cola. So we grab this. I drink it, and it takes off half my health, and one more sip, I should die, and that's poisonous. Level 27, meat killbreak. Can I just touch him and die? Oh, yeah, level 28, okay. So I didn't have to talk to the pool. So here's just a poisonous, wait. Why does she die instantly? I don't. That's not fair. Am I immune to poison? That's true. Okay, she just died immediately, but I'm gonna see this. What are you doing? Where is it? I can't find it. You know there's nothing here. No, I don't. Okay, do I just touch him? Okay, so I just touch him and I die in the shop? No, I'm at level 30. Heck at the door. Let's go here. Okay, that's not it. What about here? That's a happy block. And number 3 was the death block. Oh, hey, Lisa, we meet again. What is this? The Obby number 2. What's this in the corner? I don't know what that is. All right, come on, Lisa. Stop being AFK. She's probably taking a crap. Never seen the feeling. Lisa, I took a big one today. Oh, dude, I suck. It was actually lag, not a skill issue. Okay, let's just not fall this time. Thank you. And jumpity jump. And dead. I love games that just let you die. Invisible. Great. You mean an invisible kill brick? Or an invisible hole? An invisible wall? What do you mean by invisible? Oh, found it. Level 33, the troll Obby. Wow, I can't wait for this. Yep. And, dude, look at that stupid face. Dude, I just fell in it again. Okay, let's jump. And then oh my gosh, so this thing is fake too. Lisa, you're gonna have a really hard time on this part. Alright, ready? Yeah. Come on, get it. Please don't be fake. Okay, good. This is gonna be fake. Here, just keep jumping. Oh! The ladder's fake! Stupid troll, Obby. Jump for the ladder. Is some of this fake? Okay, I don't want to find out if any of that's fake. Just kill me. Get me out of this stupid troll Obby. Okay, good. Level 30.
Stupid troll Obby.
You cannot jump on this level. That's fine with me. I'll just keep walking. Shift lock. Okay, good. Climb once again. And wait, really? I have to just shift lock across? I do, and then I die. That was a little hard. Level 35. We got some green. Oh my goodness, it's a bunch of bees. They might sting me in the... I apologize to my neighbors. It is tough. Okay, what do I do here? It says the road. Am I supposed to get hit by a car? Just stand here. Do I get stung by bees, actually? Okay, I do. The blender. Let me in. I just jump on in. And chop me up, please. There we go. Level 37, the Winter Frost. Is he going to freeze my ball? He is not. I don't want to talk to the block because I don't want advice. I want to figure out everything I'm doing.
I could do purple.
Is it deadly? No. Oh, is this a button on his head? Maybe I press something on this. Maybe his little nose or something. Alright, let's talk to this idiot. Why is it so cold here? Well, it is. Please can I take your scarf? Well, just jump on the snow. What do you mean just jump on the snow? Like I just keep pounding it? What about the snowman? Do I jump on his head? Oh, I'm losing life every time I jump. I see. Okay, let me die, please. Thank you. Get me out of this stupid level. Level 38, the steep steps. Oh boy. I also cannot jump. So let's follow this kid here. He seems to know what he's doing. Lisa's still AFK, taking a crap. And I did. Level 39, find the kill bricks. I got one of these levels again. I'm not talking to you. It's in the corner over here. And there we go. Level 40, the grass. I'm touching grass. LOL. Kids, don't touch grass. Level 41, the playground. Just kill me, please. Thank you. Level 42, the bank. We're doing this stuff now. From the pool to the back. Level 43, the chimney. Roast me alive. Oh, this just feels so good. Level 44, the campfire. Dead instantly. 45, behind the wall. Wait, what? Oh, you're just gonna get your arm through the wall. The door. I miss playing doors. This is a great game. I can't wait for the next update. If they ever do one. It's so awesome. Square world. I just jump onto this. Okay. Level 48. Oh, I can't go through. It's an invisible wall. What's this called? The playground? Oh, the playground too. Go down the slide. Okay, good. And then we die. 49, the smallest hole. Great. This is gonna be so much fun. So you just gotta really squeeze yourself in. Come on. Using shift lock here. Dude, I fell out of it. Squeeze it. There we go. No, I'm too fat, man. Go in the hole. There we go. Squeeze. Come on. That was a really good jump. Okay, what do I do now? No, don't Squeeze out, you stupid idiot. Grab my hand, pull me over here. You guys just do this a lot. I'll let you fall. Okay, wait. Pressing left and right really fast. Get in this stupid hole. Okay, finally! Level 50. What the heck? It's just a giant cannon. It's a giant cannon. Maybe it's a trick. I'm supposed to just walk off the edge and then let's get into the cannon. Just got launched, but let's see. Level 51, the new world. Awesome. What's this? The person who asked. Okay, I'm not talking to you, even though you're a really cute capybara. You're not dead. Okay, level 52, the phobia. Oh. So you're supposed to jump off and just die. Okay, level 53, the doors. Open doors. Okay, well I'm an expert at this game, so I'm trying to loot. Okay, let me loot and steal. Bro, go away. I don't need your help. Oh, dead. So just walk through until you die. Okay, level 54. What's this? The difficult chart Obby. And here we go up the ladder. I'm an expert at obbies. Don't worry, this will be really quick. So I just gotta jump around like that, and then jump around. And level 55, the gravity jump. And I think I just jump off. Level 56. The Ohio. Great. Looks just like my hometown. And I'm dead. Level 57. The fall damage loop. This is gonna be annoying. So yep, another loop level. I really don't like these. They just waste my time. I'm such a busy person in real life. Just kidding. Is the game lagging like always? Dude, let me die. Finally. Level 58. What's this? The find it. Okay, let's go find it. There it is. Level 59. The transparent kill break. So it's just gonna be one of these. Level 60. The speed run obby. Just go really fast, and then you hit the brick at the end, okay? I play a lot of obby, so this is really easy for me. Jump, and then jump. This is not a skill issue. This is a Roblox server is really lagging issue. I promise. Level 61, I just died instantly. Okay, level 62, land on the kill brick. Where is it? In the hole here? Okay, the developer is running out of ideas. The flick method. I don't know what that means, so I'm going to talk to this bacon-haired loser. Yeah, I heard the level is impossible. What's that mean, you flick? I just keep holding down spacebar or something? What about shift lock? I also don't have time to figure these things out, so if I can't get this in 30 seconds, that'll be the end of the video. I have never heard of the flick method. Tell me what it is. Bro, chill, dude. Just watch some tutorials or something how to flick. No, I'm not a nerd. Not going to watch. Oh, I just did it. That was really easy. That was such an easy level. Flick method, so easy. All right, level 64, the question mark. What does that even mean? Hello? Do I jump through the wall? Yo, goth girl, what do we do? I don't think the goth girl knows. Well, if I remember from the other Try to Die game, you just reset? Is that right? Yes, it does. Level 65. What's this? No? The lobby. Oh, I get it. Just kidding, I don't. There's a clock. Do I do something with the clock? No. Oh, there's a block back here. Okay, level 66, the club. I'm going clubbing. Hello, DJ. Yeah, what's up? Looking for something? Yeah, looking for a kill brick. Well, I didn't saw a kill brick here, but everyone's dying, so it must be on his DJ thing. Level 67, the cart ride into kill brick. Oh, this is gonna be fun, but I wanna go. Oh, they're already dead. Losers. Alright, let me get in the. Alright, please, hello. Alright, come on, here we go. Alright, come on, stop clicking backwards, please. Just click forward button, please. Click forward. Wait, can I just, like, walk up on the wood? I can't. Oh, we can walk on the metal. Yeah, let's just do that. Seems to make more sense to me. Wait, how high does this thing? No! Stupid lag! There's always so much lag and hacks and glitches. It's always why I die. Anyway, I made it. Level 68. Okay, just walk into that thing. Level 69, the sussy level. The no jump challenge too. So we're just gonna keep going and don't stop. That's the key to these types of